Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I am going to harvest my ginger. If you've been following me, you know that I started ginger back in January of this year. So now I'm going to harvest it. I only did this as an experiment to see if I could do it. If this goes well, then I'll probably do some more next year. What I did was I grabbed some organic ginger from, was it World Mar? No. One of those specialty, not specialty, but one of those grocery stores, kind of like Trader Joe's, or what's the other one? I can't think of what it's called. I want to say World Market, but that's not it. Anyways, I grabbed some organic ginger and I pre-sprouted it on in trays, and then once it sprouted, I stuck it on top of the soil, and then I just kept it moist, and I didn't really fertilize it very much at all, so it'll be a surprise to see what's going on down here. But I am excited to harvest this, and I also have a couple more pieces out in the raised beds that we'll grab. But first, let's see what's going on in this pot. So here is the ginger harvest of 2021. And I did not go and grab the other ginger out of the raised beds. I'm gonna leave those a little bit longer. But this was a really nice experiment. They were very low maintenance, just made sure they were watered. I did not fertilize, but they probably would have done a little bit better if I had. But for the amount that I'm harvesting, I probably won't grow this again next year unless I decide to go full on and, grow a ton. But I think it was a good experiment. We'll definitely put, what we have to use. And yeah, it was kind of like growing garlic. It was barely needed anything from me besides water. So no pest issues, nothing like that. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions below. If you've grown ginger before, leave your tips below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.